Hello, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. So quick announcement and then we'll get to it. Quite a few of you have been asking how you can support me. Well, I've now opened a Ko-Fi page and it allows you to donate one time or monthly if you choose. And you can also check out my shop. I will be adding pieces regularly. The link is in the description, so make sure you check it out. So today I am working on the first piece of a new triptych series. Like last time, I'm going to use the same color palette for all three pieces, but do different blowouts. The last triptych has sold already, and I just wanted to say a quick thank you to Adam for buying those. I really hope they bring you as much joy as they did while they were mine. So for this piece, I want a big color explosion to take up most of the canvas. I want very little negative space just on the top or the bottom. So sit back, enjoy some music, and thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet,